In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Slack in a Chrome browser tab layout, navigate to the app directory, and install the Google Calendar integration. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you're on a normal browser window where your tabs are visible across the top. This is helpful because the process is easier to follow when Slack is open directly inside a standard tab layout instead of in a separate desktop app or a pop-out window. Once Chrome is open, go ahead and open Slack in one of your browser tabs. If Slack is already open somewhere else, just switch over to the Chrome tab version so everything stays in the same workspace. After Slack is open in Chrome, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded. You should be looking at your Slack workspace inside the browser with the usual navigation and content areas visible. Keeping Slack in the browser can be useful if you like working with multiple tabs at once or if you're following along with other tools in Chrome. Next, navigate directly to the app directory repository page within Slack. This is the area where Slack lists available apps, tools, and integrations that can be connected to your workspace. Going straight to the app directory saves time and helps you find what you need without browsing through unrelated sections. Once you arrive there, you should see a searchable list or gallery of available integrations. From here, use the search function to look for the Google Calendar integration. Type in Google Calendar clearly so the correct plugin or app block appears in the results. When you find the Google Calendar integration, click into it if needed so you can confirm that you've selected the right tool. This integration is commonly used to help connect calendar events with Slack, making it easier to stay aware of meetings and schedules without leaving your workspace. Once you're on the correct Google Calendar integration page, click the Install option. Depending on your workspace permissions, Slack may begin the installation right away or may guide you to the next part of the setup process. If anything takes a few seconds to load, just give it a moment and avoid clicking multiple times. And that's it. You've opened Slack in Chrome, gone directly to the app